Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Start by powering off and removing batteries or pulling the plug. Lay the train on a clean towel to protect paint. Gather a 2mm screwdriver, small pliers, cotton swabs, and a 3.5 volts tester. Photograph the toy before disassembly to record part locations and wiring. Check visible defects by rolling wheels and looking for a 1/4-inch wheel gap or bent axle. Note any burned, smell, or loose screws. Organize screws in a shallow tray by location for reassembly. Remove the shell using the 2mm screwdriver and set screws aside in order. Inspect wheel treads, gears, and motor brushes for grime and wear. Clean wheel treads with isopropyl alcohol on a cotton swab, then dry immediately. Check the motor by applying 3.5 volts to terminals briefly and observe rotation direction. Tighten motor mounting screws and adjust brushes to reduce sparking. Replace worn gears or bearings using match sizes. New gear sets cost about $0 on average. Reassemble the shell using your photographs to restore wire routing and part order. Tighten screws securely, but avoid stripping plastic threads by not over-torquing. Mount the train on a short 16.5 track section and insert fresh batteries or connect a regulated 12V supply for testing. Run the motor at low speed, then increase to normal speed to check performance. Perform a 10-minute run-in to seat brushes and gears. Finish by lubricating gears with a tiny amount of plastic-safe.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.